Hi viewers, good morning. Namaste. This is Srikanth from Krishna Pearl from row number 36, Jubilees, Hyderabad. Our shop is located near to metro station. We are having 4 outlets in Hyderabad. One is in Charminar near to Patargatti. One is in Jubilees. One is in Novotel Hyderabad Airport. One is Charminar. Today I am going to show you a new collection of pearl strings for the gifting purpose. Please have a look of these pearl sets. So I'll start showing one by one. Please have a look of this chain. This is with the silver, with natural freshwater pearls. You can see this pearls. These are natural freshwater pearls, which is peach in color. It's totally silver, 92.5. This is suitable for office wear purpose. Even for the gifting purpose, this looks nice. And you can see the chain also. It's very flexible. And you can see the shining of the chain. It has got very neat finishing. And you can see the drops over here. These are natural freshwater pearls. This looks very nice for the office wear. So those who are looking for the gifting purpose, they can give something like this kind of gifts. We have plenty of collections like this. Now I am going to show another pearl chain, which is triple layer. Please have a look of this pearl chain. These are with the natural freshwater pearls, with the CZs in between. And you can see the pearls. It has got a beautiful luster. And you can see the CZ balls over here. It gives more elegance for the pearls. This is in 3 rows. In our store we have got 1 row, 2 rows and 3 rows also. And you can just see how it looks when you wear it. And this is suitable for traditional kind of sarees. Now I am going to show you a very familiar design, which is known as a Rani Har. This is very famous design, very popular and famous design. You can see this design. It's a very nice design. You can see the pendant also. It's with a combination of natural freshwater pearls with red and green stones in it. And you can see the alignment of the pearls also is perfectly aligned. We sort according to the size and quality wise. And you can see the workmanship was totally handmade. You can see the string over here. It's done by hand with nylon thread in it. So those who are looking for traditional kind of set, they can go something like this. And this is very reasonable price. This is with the combination of silver with gold plated. It's very nice design. Even the pendant also, you can see it's not too much heavy. It's in medium size. And you can see down, there's a natural freshwater pearls over here. You can see the workmanship also is totally done by hand. See the thread over here. It has to do by hand. And you can see the alignment of the pearls is perfectly aligned. And it has got adjustable dory also, the back, so that you can adjust the length. and I'll just show you how it looks when you wear it. And it has got a matching pair of earrings also. Please have a look of these earrings. It's totally matches with the necklace. This is also with the combination of red and green stones and the real freshwater pearls at the bottom. It totally matches with the pendant over here. You can just see. And it has got a Bombay kind of screw system over here, as it looks like gold. And we give guarantee for the pearls also. So like this, we got plenty of collection at our store at road number 36, Jubilees, Hyderabad. And now I am going to show another beautiful pearl set. Please have a look of this set. It's very simple and elegant look. This also with a combination of CZ stones, and you can see the pendant over here. It's very nice design. It has got CZ stones in it, and it has got a pearl drop over at the bottom. It looks very nice. Even those who are looking for the gifting purpose, they can give something like this kind of gifts, which is very reasonable, and it starts from around 2,500 rupees onwards. Like this, we got plenty of collection at our store. And for this, we got a matching pair of earrings also. Please have a look of these earrings. It totally matches with the pendant. So those who are looking for the birthday gifting purpose and anniversary purpose, they can give something like this kind of gifts. Now I am going to show another kind of pearl set. This is very familiar design, which is known as a brooch set. Please have a look of this chain. It's completely with the pearls, with the silver, with the CZ stones in it. And you can see the alignment of the pearls is perfectly aligned. This is in 4 rows. All the pearls are equal in size. It has got a beautiful luster. And you can see the pendant design also on both the sides. This is with the combination of red stones with the CZs. And you can see this side also. It has got CZ kind of stones over here. There is rectangle shape of a silver pendant like this. In between, they added red color stones so that it will match with the brooch also over here. It's perfectly. This is also totally handmade chain. You can see the workmanship at the back side. It has to do by hand. It's totally handmade pearl set, and it is having an adjustable dory also, so that you can adjust the length. And I'll just show you how it looks when you wear it. This is suitable for a traditional kind of sarees. Please have a look of this pearl set. And it has got a matching pair of earrings also. Please have a look of these earrings. So exactly matches with the brooch over here. Please have a look. Even the earrings are not too much big. It's an ideal size, so that it will match with the brooch over here. Now I am going to show you something like a fancy kind of pearl set. Please have a look of this pearl string. This is with multiple pearls, and you can see there are several layers of pearl strings. So those are looking for the office purpose, they can use something like this kind of pearl strings. It has got around 6 rows, and in the same concept we have with a few lines also, which is around 3 rows. This looks nice for the office wear. We got matching pair of earrings also for this one, and I'll just show you how it looks. Not only pearl string, we do have pearl bangles and pearl bracelets also. Please have a look of this bracelet first. It's made with natural freshwater pearls. Even this is suitable for office wear, and you can see the design also is totally handmade. This is called as knitted design. It's very hard to make this kind of bracelet because as you can see the workmanship over here. Even this is suitable for office wear. Like this, we got plenty of collection at our store. Now I'm going to show you bangles, which are with a silver base with the gold plated. Please have a look of these bangles. This with the combination of natural freshwater pearls with the red and green stones in it, and you can see the workmanship is totally done by hand. The back side you can see the workmanship. You can see the thread over here. It's totally done by hand. And it's having a openable type of system, so that if it is not fitting like this, you can even open up the bangle and you can wear it like this. And we have all different sizes like 2.2, 2.4, 2.6, 2.8. All different sizes are available in this same pattern. Like this, we have plenty of collection at our store. Please visit our store. And we do have online website also, which is www.krishnapearl.com. Even you can directly purchase through our online website. Not only pearls, we do have silver articles also, and we do have online video call facility also. We can shoot directly through online. Please note down this number, WhatsApp number, which is 92480367121. It's a WhatsApp number. Even we can directly show through video call. And due to pandemic situation, we are opening in the morning 7 to 9 a.m. So those who want to visit our store, they can even directly visit our store. And those who don't have time to visit our store, we can directly purchase through our online website, or else we can directly show through video call to this number. Please save this number. So like this, we got plenty of collection at our store. Please visit our store at road number 36, Jubilees, Hyderabad. And whatever you buy from us, you'll get authentic certificate like this, which assures guarantee for the pearls. Along with the invoice, we'll provide this kind of certificate for the pearls, which ensures guaranteed purity, transparent billing, free lifetime maintenance, and assured exchange and buyback. So please visit our store at road number 36, Jubilees, Hyderabad, to see a lot more collection. Not only pearls, we do have diamond and gold jewelry also, and we are open in the morning 7 to 9 a.m. till lockdown. And thank you for watching this live stream. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Namaste.